Hi, this is Ben here from BenAutoBahn.com, and we are right now at the 2019 Geneva Auto Show, and we are excited to show you what Aston Martin has to show at their booth. They have this new supercar, I would say, that's positioned just below the Valkyrie, but looks very similar to it. Let's go have a closer look. There's a lot of people, so it might be a squeeze. But I'll try. Here it is. Oh my god. There's a lot of people. Looks very similar to the Valkyrie, I must say. I almost thought it is the Valkyrie, but it is not. Now this is the Valkyrie, which is crazy. And this is the track-only Valkyrie.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Pretty insane looking. Pretty crazy. This is, of course, the F1 car. Let's walk inside. I'll give you more angles of each car. That's some crazy diffuser right there. But not as crazy as this. Alright, now back to the incredible looking Valkyrie. These 3D lights seems to be a trend nowadays for cars in this segment. First thing that come to mind would be the one from Aston Martin, the Vulcan, and then also, of course, the Devo that's also at the show. Here is their checkered carbon fiber. This car is present, I gotta say. It is ridiculous. It is so low, so wide. There's the seating position, which I heard is almost like an F1 car where your feet is pretty much same level as your chest. Interestingly, ex-Bugatti designer is here, the one in the hoodie. I mean, excuse me. There's really a lot of people here. You know what? Let's just go to the cheaper model, but looks similar.
Hi, where are you?
Here it is. Oh my god. Honestly, it looks 80% like a Valkyrie, so I'm not sure the price, but I'm sure it will be a popular car. This is the Vantage. But who cares about a Vantage? Let's go see that new car. That's what we're here for. Here we go. Oh my god. From here, it's a bit like the 720S because of the exhaust. Crazy diffuser as well. Really smooth lines. Really cool wheels. Oh wow, I didn't notice that. Those are like teeth coming out. No wing mirrors, but cameras. And the interior seems to be really basic. Oh, there's no actual interior. It's just the top half of the dashboard and the steering wheel. The rest are just foam. So I'm guessing this is a close to production concept, pre-production car. But again, it has presence. Excuse the people here. crazy one. Crazy. The headlights, you know, they remind me of the on this body. It reminds me of the Jaguar concept car that appeared in the Bond film that was never made. But on the Valkyrie, it looks totally different. And since we're here, let's go check out the Lagonda. They have a concept SUV, I believe, on display. So hopefully I can go a bit closer if they allow me, because I'm underdressed, at least for this particular area. Here it is, Lagonda concept car. Again, pretty, I would say pretty clean lines. Huh, those wheels are really nice. Please. Let me try to get a peek on the interior. Excuse. So many people here, but not as much people as during the public days, trust me. During public days, you won't be able to move anywhere. I gotta say, this is a really nice setup for a booth. Really nice wheels. Here's the size. There's a really cool design on the logo. Probably 3D printed? Who knows? Yes. Alright, let me go inside the interior if it's possible. Let me use height to my advantage. There it is. Really nice. 4-seater. Really nice. Now that's a concept interior.
È spettacolare, è spettacolare.
Not a screen, but you know.
Le portiere si aprono in maniera contrapposta, controvento quelle posteriori.
Alright. Let other people gonna film. I think you get a quite a good look at the interior. I put my hand as deep as I can. Yeah, what do you guys think? This is going to be in production one day soon. In electric form. That's what I heard. Electric Lagonda SUV. So yeah, here's more shot of more people. Undershoot the cars, but that's how popular this place is. So it's just people everywhere. The show is closing in an hour, but people are still everywhere. One last look. Here it is. The crazy Valkyrie race car. And the actual F1 race car. The Valkyrie, which is my favorite. That's crazy. I wish I could sit in it, but yeah, I Just want to know how it feels like to be in that position. Crazy.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, I want to sit in there. I just want to feel the position. You should go for it. Alright, sorry about that. That's just a friend. Here it is. Oh, what's that on his shirt? Oh well. This I really like. It's way more affordable, I assume. Baby Valkyrie. Oh wait, this one has an interior. Let's go check it out. Wow. That's nice.
I don't know whether it's wet. That's great, but probably won't be there.
Oh, sorry. Okay, so this one is called the 003. That one, let me see. They seem to be different model. I have no clue.
Sorry, we
Hi.
have a live broadcast on. Would you mind going this way?
Yeah,
Thank you.
I'm sorry. Alright, let's go see this car again. That's the CEO, Andy Palmer. Yeah. So that's it really. Lots of business being done, handshaking. It is for all kinds of trade show. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna check out other cars soon. Bye!